Hello everyone, welcome to Ohio Tickets with Robert. I have a $10 $500,000 cash award. We have ticket number 29. Odds are 1 out of 369. Tickets all over the place. Let's zoom in a bit. W. Okay, let's go up here. There's one. There's another one. Okay. So far I have Ivy and I have Bid. Okay, we have a few G's up here. Well, that was it. Thought I had more than that. Alright, let's see what we have. Second to last. We have a K. Don't see one. And don't see one up here. The last letter. The letter T. Let's go up here. Well, this is a losing ticket. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment, and I'll check you on the next one.